Over now to the captains for the toss. The home captain wins the toss and will have a bowl. Great timing, right off the meat of the bat.
Catch it!
Solid shot, goes for 4.
Precision, just a great shot.
Did that clip his bat on the way through? First ball.
Yep.
And that runs away to the boundary. Good way to get off the mark.
What a ball. The batsman bamboozled and ended up knocking it back onto his own stump. Beautifully bowled. Oh, not able to connect.
A well fielded, really good work out there. And a single.
He's beaten all ends up by that. The bowler won't like that at all.
I like that shot. Nice technique.
This should be close.
Great work. Held their nerve while the ball was in the air and takes a good catch.
Yep.
Yeah.
Got it.
Nice shot. 4 runs.
Yeah. That's 4. Superb shot.
Yep.
That's racing to the fence. Catch! The bowler tried to take some pace off the ball, but the batsman has put it. fielder throws the opportunity away. Went for...
A decent total to chase down for the batsmen, but it won't be easy. If they bat smart and not give away cheap wickets, they'll be right in this.
The left-arm medium bowler is coming into the attack from the south end.
Short ball, hit away. Solid stroke there for 4.
Catch it!
Everyone's running over to celebrate. This is an important wicket. Well, they didn't expect to be batting this early. Just not warmed up, perhaps. About scoring.
What a delivery. Draws the edge.
Maybe a nick. That batsman's out faster than he got in.
Solid shot there. Off the mark with a boundary. What a catch. Timed that dive perfectly.
Well, that's exactly how he would have wanted to play that shot.
Caught behind. Good catch. Great delivery to find the edge.
Did they nick that?
Mumbai.
Oh, what a nice catch. Oh, picks that one up nicely. Good shot.
Catch it!
Boom, that's gone for 6. That's 4. Superb shot. He's trapped in front there.
Yep.
Can't make it back against some great work in the field. That's out. Shot. Gone. Takes it and seals the win. Has been a very one-sided affair. The result was never really in doubt.